Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality equipment you can trust. Here we have the EFM 1014 CNC folder with ESA CNC control. This is a Taiwan quality machine and is our premier folder designed in the USA. This folder features a 48-inch CNC controlled power back gauge. The CNC touchscreen control can store thousands of programs. The numbers of bends per program is only limited by the part design. The CNC controller comes standard with 2D graphics. The bend simulator is used to check all profiles for interference. Once profiles have been simulated, they can be saved in a thumbnail library. An additional feature is its ability to control the bend radius. Remote CNC factory support is available. The EFM 1014 CNC is capable of bending 120 inches of 14-gauge mild steel or 18-gauge stainless steel up to 135 degree and a minimum reverse bend of a ½ inch. The machine comes standard with a ½ inch and 1 inch insert bars. This is available in 220 volt, 3-phase, and is backed by a 1-year factory warranty for parts. With the rigid all-steel construction, hardened work table and nose bar, coupled with Schneider Electric's and Yaskawa servo motors and drives, this machine was designed for longevity. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and have sold thousands of machines that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you won't have to worry about production downtime. We also have an additional model, EFM 1214 CNC available, 12 feet by 14 gauge.